Right now, 90% of the items that separate you from chaos in the event of a real crisis are sitting in containers in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. If supply chains freeze tomorrow, you'll have exactly 72 hours before store shelves are empty forever. China isn't just a toy factory. It's the only industrial giant in the world producing survival tools that simply have no equivalents in the West at this price. Today I'll show you 10 items you need to order while the buy button is still active. And this isn't about flashlights. The 10th item on our list is something that will literally allow you to create your own power grid in a total blackout. 99% of preppers don't know about it. But first, about why your water will soon become your enemy. The first thing to die will be communication. Item number 1, Quancheng UV-K5 Radio, 8th generation. In 2026, this is no longer just a walkie-talkie. Thanks to custom firmware, this $20 Chinese device picks up signals civilians aren't supposed to see. It works as a spectrum analyzer. You'll spot approaching drones or patrols before you hear them. Item number 2, flexible CIGS solar panels. Forget heavy glass. These panels from Shenzhen work even in deep twilight and at 90% cloud cover. But energy is useless if you can't drink. Item number 3, portable water electrolysis systems, H2O Pure. This isn't just a straw filter. It's a palm-sized device that kills 99.9% of viruses using an electric discharge. Item number 4, industrial-grade vacuum sealers, Sinbo. Why? Humidity is your main enemy. Without this, your rice supplies will turn into mold in 3 months. We're just getting started. Next, tools that turn an ordinary garage into a fortress. Why not just buy American-made? The answer is vertical integration. China controls 85% of lithium processing. When we talk about survival, we're talking about energy density. A modern Chinese Li-FePO4 battery withstands 6,000 charge cycles. That's 15 years of daily use in apocalyptic conditions. In that time, any lead-acid battery will turn into a piece of junk. We don't depend on goods, we depend on the rare earth magnets inside motors. If China shuts off exports, the production of pumps, generators, and transportation in the West will roll back to the 19th century within a single quarter. Item number 5, dieselless heaters, dry heater. A Chinese clone of Webasto. Consumption, a glass of diesel for the whole night. This is what will save you from freezing in an apartment without central heating. Item number 6, titanium twig stoves, folding stove. Weight 200 grams. Fuel, literally the branches under your feet. Item number 7, night vision optics, digital NVG Gen 2 Plus. Night vision devices used to cost as much as a car. Now Chinese Sony sensors let you see in complete darkness for the price of a smartphone. Whoever sees at night controls the situation. Item number 8, graphene power banks. Charge from 0 to 100% in 15 minutes. In a world where electricity appears for 1 hour a day, this is critical. Item number 9, electronics repair kits with a microscope. Survival isn't just shooting, it's fixing what's left. And finally, item number 10. The thing that makes you independent from the state and corporations. It's a modular solid-state battery DIY kit, solid-state battery cell. Why is this important? Regular lithium batteries are dangerous, they burn. These don't. You can shoot them with a bullet and they'll keep working. China has started mass selling cells from which you assemble a storage unit of any capacity. Survival in 2026 isn't a bunker. It's mobility and autonomous energy. With this device, you become the owner of the most valuable resource in the new world, the kilowatt-hour. If at least one of these points made you reconsider the contents of your go bag, hit like. It helps the algorithms promote the video to those who are still under the illusion of safety. Don't wait for a black swan, prepare while logistics are still working. Subscribe to the channel, here we expose the underside of global threats and learn to be autonomous every week. Good luck! You're going to need it.